Hey there, CS2 players! Welcome back to our channel, your source for gaming tips and tricks, especially Counter-Strike 2 tutorials. Now, we are diving into a common question or a popular topic, and that is how to get any knife in CS2. But before we dive into all of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, getting any knife in CS2. I will show you the quickest way to do it. So open your open CS2 on Steam, and once you are on Steam, all you gotta do is open your toggler console. So when you toggle your console, if you can't find your console, you have to go to the gear icon here where it says enable developer console. Click yes, and once you're successful, and you have to type this command. All right, that's it. That's basically it, right? That's how you get any knife in CS2. And once again, if I hope you enjoyed really this video as much as I did. And if you found it very helpful or at least entertaining, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up by clicking that like button below. And before I go, I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you who has been part of our Israel community. Your support means the world to us, and I can't thank you enough. And if you have further topics or suggestions that you wanted us to discuss for future content, just leave it in the comment below. We'll read them, and I'll see you in the next one.